Dentists don't want you to know this simple homemade teeth cleaning mixture. In just minutes, it can help brighten your teeth, freshen your breath, and leave your mouth feeling super clean using ingredients you already have at home. First, take a small, clean container or bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is one of the most popular natural ingredients for cleaning teeth because it helps remove surface stains, reduces bad odor, and gives your teeth a cleaner and brighter look. It can also help fight plaque and leave your mouth feeling fresh. Next, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is famous for its natural antibacterial properties. Many people use it to help support gum health and keep the mouth cleaner. It may also help reduce buildup on the teeth and support healthier gums. Now take 1 fresh lemon and cut it in half. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and gives a powerful, fresh feeling. It can help remove unpleasant smells from the mouth and makes this mixture more effective for cleaning. Squeeze the lemon juice directly into the container. After that, mix everything very well until it becomes a smooth paste. Now, take then add half a spoon of charcoal powder. Add it into the mixture. This ingredient helps create a stronger cleaning effect and makes the mixture more active when combined with the other ingredients. Mix everything again very thoroughly until all the ingredients are fully combined. Now the mixture is ready to use. Take a small amount of this paste and gently apply it to your teeth using your finger or a toothbrush. Slowly rub it over the teeth for a short time. While applying it, you can already feel how fresh and clean it makes your mouth feel. You can also apply a little on your hands to demonstrate the cleaning power of the mixture. Look at the difference. It helps remove dirt and leaves the skin feeling cleaner and smoother. This homemade mixture is popular because it is simple, quick to prepare, and made with easy kitchen ingredients. Many people use similar natural remedies to improve freshness and support cleaner-looking teeth at home. But remember, this is only for occasional use. Using strong ingredients too often on teeth may damage enamel over time, so always use gently and carefully. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful home tips and simple remedies.